So we get asked this quite a bit in the shop. If you have one of the newer MacBooks that can't run Windows on there, what do you do? This is what you do. So originally you could dual boot Windows and Mac OS on your MacBooks with the Intel chips using something called Boot Camp. But now that Apple have moved to their own series of chips, this feature has unfortunately gone for now. The only way that you can get Windows back on there is through a virtual machine or a VM. Now there's a few options you can go with like VMware or VirtualBox, but the best one by far and the only officially supported option is Parallels. It runs pretty much perfectly, it's very easy to set up, it's fully customizable. You can have Windows in its own contained screen like you normally would, or you can have it so that the Windows applications merge in with the Mac OS ones and they can literally go on the dock with the other ones. It can also run games if you have one of the higher end versions of the Apple chips in your machine. It can run games very well. This is pretty much the full Windows experience, but it's the ARM version. What that means is some software and games might not work on it just yet. You're best off checking that it runs what you need to run first before you go putting money onto Parallels. Personally, I hope that Apple do bring back Boot Camp and native Windows support again, but until they do, this is definitely the best option to go with.